Unleash powerful tone with a 40-watt guitar amp built for serious sound. Featuring an 8-inch full-range speaker, this amp delivers crystal-clear output with rich, articulate detail. From smooth blues to heavy distortion, experience dynamic, professional-grade audio that brings every note to life. The customizable EQ includes treble, middle, bass, and time controls, giving you the tools to sculpt your perfect tone with precision. Designed with versatility in mind, this amp offers aux-in, microphone, headphone, and 1/4-inch input ports, making it ideal for jamming, recording, or performing live. Despite its power, it's ultra-portable, weighing just 6.9 pounds and sized at 13.5 by 9.5 by 17.5 inches. It's easy to carry with the durable top handle, perfect for home studios, rehearsals, or taking the stage. Built tough, sounds pro, travels light. This amp is your all-in-one solution for sound that performs anywhere.